Rearrange the sentence challenge now. Go.
This one is it.
Okay, ready, Nemo? 1, 2.
The red bike is a red bike.
Read it. The
Red bike is red. Can't even read those words, you know.
okay.
Bike you can ride is a red bike.
I know.
Or you can
Okay, it's my turn.
no.
You can ride the bike.
Or
Can you?
can you ride the bike?
Ay, nakarigriga mo kasanungay nga basaan. Okay. Can? Okay.
Wait, sige ba?
Do you want to ride with me, Nimoy Jet?
Can you ride the red bike?
Can you ride the red